Get ready to drive internationally with ease. Ever dreamed of driving abroad? Whether it's a road trip through the scenic landscapes of Europe or navigating the bustling streets of Tokyo, having the freedom to drive in a foreign country can make your travels much more enjoyable. But how do you get started? Well, today we're going to show you just how simple it is to get your International Driving Permit, IDP, with the International Drivers Association. So buckle up and let's hit the road. Welcome everyone. In today's video, we're going to walk you through everything you need to know about getting your IDP. If you're new here, we are the International Drivers Association, your go-to source for all things related to international driving permits. First off, what is an IDP and why is it important? An international driving permit is an official document that allows you to drive in over 150 countries worldwide. It's essentially a translation of your home country's driver's license and can be incredibly useful when you're traveling abroad. Not only does it help you rent a car easily, but it also ensures that local authorities can understand your driving credentials. Today, we'll cover the essential steps you'll need to follow to apply for an IDP through our website. Here's a quick overview of what we'll be discussing. Step 1. Gather your documents. Step 2. Fill out the application form. Step 3. Submit your application online. Step 4. Pay the required fees. Step 5. Receive your IDP by mail. So let's dive right in. Step-by-step guide to applying for an IDP. Step 1. Gather your documents. The first step in applying for an IDP is gathering all the necessary documents. You'll need a valid driver's license from your home country, a passport-sized photo, a completed application form. We'll get into this in the next step. Make sure your driver's license is current and not expired. The passport-sized photo should be recent and meet standard photo requirements. Having these documents ready will make the process much smoother. Step 2. Fill out the application form. Once you have all your documents ready, it's time to fill out the application form. Head over to our website at internationaldriversassociation.com. On our homepage, you'll find a link to the application form. Click on it and start filling in your details. The form will ask for basic information such as your name, address, and driver's license number. Be sure to double-check all the information for accuracy. Step 3. Submit your application online. After you've completed the application form, it's time to submit it online. Simply click on the Submit button at the bottom of the form. You'll receive a confirmation email shortly after submission. This email will contain a reference number that you can use to track your application status. Step 4. Pay the required fees. The next step is paying the required fees for processing your IDP. The fees can vary depending on how quickly you need your permit and how long you want it to be valid. We offer various options ranging from 1 year to 3 years. You can make payments securely through our website using major credit cards or PayPal. Once payment is confirmed, you'll receive another email confirming that your application is being processed. Step 5. Receive your IDP by mail. Finally, once everything is processed and approved, you'll receive your IDP by mail. We offer different shipping options depending on how quickly you need your permit. Standard shipping usually takes about 7 to 15 business days, while express shipping can get it to you within 5 days. Make sure to keep an eye on your mailbox and track your shipment using the reference number provided in your confirmation email. And there you have it. Applying for an international driving permit through the International Drivers Association is straightforward and hassle-free. Let's quickly recap the key steps. 1. Gather your documents, valid driver's license and passport-sized photo. 2. Fill out the application form on our website. 3. Submit your application online. 4. Pay the required fees securely through our website. 5. Receive your IDP by mail. We hope this guide has been helpful and has made the process clear for you. For more detailed information, don't forget to visit our website at internationaldriversassociation.com. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content like this, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Feel free to share this video with anyone who might find it helpful, and leave any questions or comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Safe travels and happy driving.